Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We're continuing on with our little text mask today. We've got a video text mask for you. Here we got that giant writing we've been using. We got our little video auto-playing in the background there. Really easy to do, no coding involved in this today at all. So let's get started. I'm going to start a new page. We'll give it a name. And we'll use the Divi builder. I'm going to go ahead and build from scratch. It puts in a section by default for you. I'm going to put a single column in mine. And we're going to build our text just like we did in the other one. So I'm going to use a text module. Put in what you want it to say down here. I'm going to say video mask. I'm going to make mine a heading by selecting it. Going up where it says paragraph there, left clicking, turning it into a heading 2. Okay, let's start it the way we want it now. I'm going to click on the little pencil associated with it. It'll take us straight to the styling for the H2 up there. I've been using a font called Oswald for mine, but if you need to browse through, just put your mouse over the text down below here. It'll give you an example of that text when you put your mouse over it there. I'm going to use my Oswald up here. I'm going to make it as bold as it'll possibly go. I'm going to capitalize it, and I'm going to pop it in the middle. And I'm going to make it an awful lot bigger. Let's make it, say, 350. Now that's broken into 2 lines. I don't want that. The reason it's done that is because our row only ends up here where that blue line was, because this is filling that row. So let's make our row full width, so this is going to fit on all devices. I'm going to go into the green tab for the row. I'm going to go to Design Sizing. I'm going to drag the width up to 100%. I'm going to copy that, Control-C. I'm going to paste it down below the max width, Control-V to paste. Or you can just type that in if you want to. As you can see, that's now fitting on our line perfectly. Let's make sure it's going to fit on tablet and mobile. We'll go back into the text module itself. Again, I'm going to hit the little pencil, which is now way over the left-hand side as we've got a full width row there. Going to go down to the heading 2 text size. Common to all Divi modules, when you roll over dark writing within a module, you see some icons appear. If there's a little mobile phone type icon, we can have completely different settings for tablet and mobile. So let's click on the tablet. A little large right there. Try 150. Still just a little bit bigger than I like to see it. That'll do. And let's click on the phone. That's actually not too bad. I think I'm actually going to leave it like that on the phone itself. Great, now we're happy with that on all devices. Let's just save it. Let's find a video that we want to put behind it. I'm actually going over to pexels.com, P-E-X-E-L-S.com. I'll put this little URL down below. I'm going to search for videos. As you can see, this is the one I've used here, which is actually the first one. I just selected the videos up here and did a search for space. Now, most of these are free to use. Do look at the licenses though. When you roll over, they'll give you an example of what that video is doing. So let's use this one again. Now, don't just hit the download button. And the reason for that is if I click on this, click on the middle of it, if you hit that download button, it's going to download the highest resolution available. If we look up free download here, there's a little arrow to the right. You don't want the 4K ultra high definition up there. Reason is videos are quite processor intensive for your server. So you want to get one that's going to work. Probably HD, even SD would probably work for me. The smallest you can do that will work for you. So, well, let's go for a SD. We can always download a higher res one if this one's not good enough. It's downloaded now. You can donate if you want to, buy them a cup of coffee, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Just click to go back. So if we go back to our site, once back at the site, let's go into the row, again, the green tab. And this is important. Make sure you go into the column, not just the row background. Go into the column and then down to background, which is always under content. Fourth tab along is background video. We can add our video. Now I've already got mine uploaded here, but if I get my downloads, you can download it from your default location and just drop it in there. As you can see, there it is. It's only 2 megabytes. I might download the slightly higher version, but 2 megabytes is good for a video. So let's upload that video. And we've got it rolling in the background there. That's great. And that's a nice little exciting, interesting thing to have there. But it's not exactly what we want. So let's save our changes there. As you can see, it's auto playing. We'll save the main row changes. Now, for anybody that's watched the last couple of videos, you know exactly what I'm going to do next. I'm going to go into our little Word module here. Text module, I should say. Down to background. I'm going to give it a white background, which is going to cover up that video right there. Now, to make this into a video mask, all we need to do is go over to our design. Filters. We roll down to the bottom here. You'll find blend mode. Now I'm going to switch it to screen. As soon as I do that, you can see that video is playing in the background. And that's a really nice little feature to have on your site right there. But also with the filters, if I roll back down there, they've got some amazing options. You can get some really crazy things going on. But I'm going to use my screen for mine today. Great. Let's save the changes now. We'll check it on the front end, make sure it's going to work. Save draft or publish if you're ready. And exit the Visual Builder. And there it is, working perfectly on our site like you can see. And that's a really nice feature to have. It's going to get people's attention very quickly. And as you can see, really easy to do. That'll work just as well on tablet and mobile. So there you go, guys. There's how to add a video text mask to your Divi site. Really easy. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below the video. I'll do my best to answer them for you, or make a little video like this one. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how to put a full-width YouTube video behind your text mask here, and you will have something like there it is right there. And that's another really eye-catching thing. You want to use videos fairly sparingly on your site because, as I say, they will take up a lot of resources, auto-playing videos in the background. But here and there, they do make for some really eye-catching content. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.